The Highlander has long been a popular choice in the midsize SUV segment, offering a range of features and options for buyers. However, in a fiercely competitive market, it falls short of standing out from the crowd. Let's take a closer look at what the Highlander brings to the table. Inside, the Highlander impresses with its well-equipped interior, even in the base L trim. Modern conveniences, user-friendly infotainment, and a host of standard driver assistance features make it a comfortable and convenient choice. However, when compared to rivals like the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade, the Highlander lacks the same level of luxury and spaciousness, while the Mazda CX-9 offers a more refined interior and better driving dynamics. And if you're looking for off-road capability, the Jeep Grand Cherokee L is hard to beat. Under the hood, the Highlander has made some changes for 2023. The standard V6 engine has been replaced by a new turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, delivering 265 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. Surprisingly, the fuel economy remains on par with the outgoing V6, with a combined rating of 24 mpg. The higher trims now feature a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display and a digital gauge cluster, while the XLE and XSE trims add a hands-free power-operated rear liftgate. When it comes to performance, the Highlander delivers competent handling and a smooth ride, but it could benefit from a bit more excitement behind the wheel. The standard four-cylinder engine offers adequate power, but if you're looking for a more fuel-efficient option, the Highlander Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, providing a combined 243 horsepower. The hybrid model maintains decent performance while offering significantly better fuel economy. In fact, in a comparison with the Ford Explorer Hybrid, the Highlander comes out on top in terms of efficiency. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the new turbocharged engine offers slightly higher EPA estimates than its predecessor. The front-wheel drive version achieves 21 to 22 mpg city and 28 to 29 mpg highway, while the all-wheel drive model gets 21 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. The Highlander Hybrid, on the other hand, boasts impressive ratings of 36 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. In terms of seating, the Highlander can accommodate up to 8 passengers in the base and mid-range trims, thanks to the available bench seats in the second and third rows. However, if you prefer a more spacious and luxurious experience, higher trims offer a 7-seat arrangement with second-row captain's chairs. Inside the cabin, the Highlander provides a comfortable environment with improved materials compared to its predecessor. Most trims come with an 8.0-inch infotainment system, while the Limited and Platinum models feature a larger 12.3-inch display with a secondary 12.3-inch gauge cluster. An 11-speaker JBL audio system is available, and connectivity options such as SiriusXM satellite radio, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration come standard. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the Highlander is no exception. It comes with a suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and automatic high-beam headlamps. These safety technologies provide peace of mind on the road. In terms of warranty and maintenance coverage, Toyota offers a standard warranty that aligns with the segment's norms. What sets it apart is the 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, a perk that many competitors don't offer. Additionally, the Highlander Hybrid comes with a separate hybrid component warranty, providing 8 years or 100,000 miles of coverage. In conclusion, the Toyota Highlander is a competent and well-equipped midsize SUV, but it faces tough competition in its segment. Rivals offer more luxury, third-row room, or better driving dynamics. However, with its efficient hybrid option, comfortable interior, and standard safety features, the Highlander remains a reliable choice for those seeking a family-friendly SUV.